There are certain types of hiccups that Mary and Monster Mary have. The first one is fire hiccup, and I like to call it loud second hiccup. The reason why I call it that is because multiple hiccups can come very loudly at a frequency of 2 to 50 seconds. If you see that loud second hiccup videos in audio and cartoon form, then that is fire hiccups in cartoon form. Mary and Monster Mary get loud second hiccups rarely, like 5 years and 10 months ago before November 3rd, 2017. But due to the gastritis particle and the hiccup scheme working together that Mary and Monster Mary have in their bodies, the gastritis particle and the hiccup scheme make the loud second hiccups come to Mary and Monster Mary once every 2 months. Now the next one is ice hiccups, and I like to call it silent minute of violent hiccups. The reason why I call it that is because multiple hiccups come very quietly, but violently that makes the whole body jump at a frequency of 1 minute to 55 minutes or to 20 minutes. The silent mini hiccups never came into Mary and Monster Mary in her life. But due to the gastritis particle and the hiccup scheme working together that Mary and Monster Mary has in their body, the gastritis particle and the hiccup scheme makes the violent silent mini hiccups come to Mary and Monster Mary every day since September 24, 2018, 3 times every day. Because hiccups is the most common symptom of gastritis. The main culprit of Mary's and Monster Mary's violent silent minute hiccups is soda. This episode I will trigger Mary's and Monster Mary's violent silent minute hiccups.